Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about the NodePay app and how you can leverage on this to earn extra. If you're using an Android device, then this video is for you. So I'm going to leave a link to NodePay in the description of this video. So go ahead and sign up. Then once you're done signing up, you go to your Play Store. You search for NodePay. This is the NodePay app, and that's the icon. This is what it looks like. So once you're done with that, you launch the app and you log in. So this is the dashboard. On the dashboard, you claim blocks every hour. You have a maximum of 8 blocks to claim, and after that it stops adding up. So I would recommend you keep coming to the app to claim frequently. So that is one aspect of it. Then there is the daily treasure claim. It comes with 100 NodePay points. So every day you claim 100, like daily. This is the referral program aspect of it. You can copy your referral link to share with your friends, colleagues, and family members. It also comes with its own points. Then this mission and rewards, this is where you connect your social accounts, connect your Discord, you connect your Hex, you verify your email, you follow NodePay on Hex, and you join NodePay Discord. Then for the survey mission, you need to do this using your PC. You need to use your laptop, or you could use a browser. Switch to desktop mode to complete these missions. Understanding user understanding, the part 1, understanding your trading experience in Web3, product research survey 1, understanding centralized exchange / decentralized exchange used by our community. So once you complete all of these surveys, you get to claim the reward for that. And the last part, before the last, this is the transaction history. You get to see your points earned here, and this earning, this is where you need to verify your email, submit your Solana wallet, and confirm the address. So once you're done with all of this, make sure you have the app running every day with your internet connection on, because it's a node and you can't run a node without internet services. NodePay is currently on season 2. The season 0 and season 1 has ended. My total points for now is 12,656, and my today's earning is 4,705. So in the next 14 minutes 50 seconds, I would have another block reward to claim. Just the way the mining works. If you want to earn extra, you connect using your system, like install the extension, and that gives you upper hand to earn more, refer friends, complete missions, and that's it about NodePay. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section for me, and in the description of this video you will see link to join my WhatsApp community, both the airdrop and the channel, so you can interact, and if you need further guidance, I will be there for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Subscribe, turn on the notification to get updates as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.